In this DIY project, we'll show you how to replace your Alora USA pull-down faucet spray head. Some reasons to replace your spray head would be the toggle switch is not switching between the spray and flow feature, the water pressure might be slow. Start by making sure your faucet lever is in the off position. Now, pull the spray head from the faucet body. Next, remove the spray head from the hose by unthreading it counterclockwise. If your spray head adapter is missing, check your hose. Using a needle nose plier, turn the adapter counterclockwise. Once loose, unthread by hand. You won't be needing the existing adapter as your new spray head comes with one. Now, grab your new spray head and attach it to the hose by threading clockwise. You will want to tighten your spray head by hand only. Do not use tools, as doing so may cause damage to both the hose and spray head. If your hose retracted back into the spout, use some needle nose pliers to extract it. Now that we're done, let's test the new spray head by turning the water on and switching between the spray and flow feature, also checking that there are not leaks between the spray hose and spray head. A parts diagram of this faucet will be listed in the description below, along with how to purchase parts through our website at alorausa.com. Thank you for watching. Come back and visit us for more Alora USA DIY projects. And for immediate assistance, give us a call at 571-291-3484.